ng araw. At paglubog nito, may mga buhay na magbabago. Saksi ka sa lahat ng mangyayari. Pangalawang pagkakataon. Pangalawang buhay. Everything begins and ends in 30 days. Malalaman na ng mga nagpa-screen test na hindi lahat sa kanila ay mabibigyan ng second chance at stardom. 15 lamang po sa kanila ang magpapatuloy. And Dale Villar.
I don't know what to do. I can't pay it right now. Wala akong pera talaga. I've been working my ass off trying to get everything I can. I'm begging, please, don't do anything right now. Give me some more time.
Hello, Dale.
Hi.
I'm fine. How are you? Welcome sa House of Second Chances. 5 slots na lamang po ang natitira. Ito ang 30 days. May 30 days pa si Bianca lang.
Villar.
Diego Castro and Jackie Forster. Dale, what is the most feared question for you?
I think yung most feared question is yung tungkol sa medyo may bading tendencies.
So, sexuality.
Yung sexual. Kasi natatakot ako kung sinama ko naman yung totoo, baka malalabas na lie. Pero alam ko naman yung totoo. So,
Okay.
that was the first question. So, doon ako natakot.
Oo. Anyway, mas nag-iinit na mga tanong at mga sagot. Susunod na when Sis returns.
Mahal ko showbiz. Dito ako lumaki. Because in reality, kahit saan ako pupunta, or whatever I do, showbiz pa rin ako.
Yung kakulitan niya. Dale, you once admitted that Jojo Veloso made several sexual advances toward you. Siya lang, pero tinanggihan mo. Siya lang ba ang tinanggihan mo o may mga iba pa?
Marami.
Indecent proposal?
Ang dami. Marami. Marami akong indecent proposals. Actually, there was one where may isang lalaki nag-offer sa akin ng car at yung condo sa Makati before. Yung lalaki yun,
Did you ever think about it? Or
Hindi.
there was no need to think about it?
There's no need to think about it. Kasi hindi, parang ayoko yung isang babae nag-use sa akin. In other words, I don't want any of them to feel like they're using me. I don't want anybody else to do that.
Kay Jana. Dali, medyo masikip.
Dale, sino kaya? Okay, Dale, pick your token for Jackie.
Bakit si Jackie, Dale?
Kasi si Jackie, we've been close also from the way beginning pa. What year was that? 93, 94 yata yun, no?
Pepsi days.
Parang pareho kami nag-umpisa. We started at the same time. I'm gonna pick...
Since then, ba hindi na nawala yung communication nyo?
Wala, syempre. But your friendship still the same.
We had been friends even before the show. So bigla na nakita ko siya sa audition.
Ano yan?
Ano ba yan, medal? Gold medal. Why gold medal?
Because she's the #1 in as a friend, as an and not only that, she's also very athletic. But for she's a gold medal winner, the top of the top for her, sa akin.
Okay, Jackie, you're next.
Mr. Dale Villar. And this Raven Villanueva. Uy, nanonood sila.
Hindi ba naging problem sa'yo yung the fact that you have ADHD sa pag-take on mo ng challenge?
Alam nila na medyo kulit ako sa set. Alam nila na may problema ako sa utak.
That's not...
Doon sa mga nawala na sa original man,